JAXA's GEM Small Satellite Orbital Deployer, J-SSOD. The Japanese experiment module Kibo on the ISS. This project is conducted by JAXA, utilizing Kibo's distinct function of having both an airlock and a robotic arm. JAXA has provided many opportunities to universities, space emerging nations, private companies to deploy satellites. A standard 1-unit microsatellite, CubeSat, is 10 centimeters square in size. J-SSOD can meet various needs by accommodating 1 unit to wide 6-unit CubeSats and up to a 50-kilogram-sized microsat. It is possible to load up to 12 1-unit satellites at the same time. In addition, to meet increasing demand, JAXA has developed a new deployment case, J-SSOD-R. J-SSOD-R can be used repeatedly and can release up to 6-unit satellites in a slot. Satellites are deployed using a powerful spring attached on J-SSOD cases. Satellites are launched into low Earth orbit for approximately 1 year. Let's see how satellites are transported to space and launched into orbit. User satellites are handed over to JAXA and carefully installed in a case. The case is wrapped with cushioning material and stowed in the cargo transfer bag. Compared to conventional rocket-mounted launches, this method drastically mitigates launch vibration, which contributes to reducing satellite development cost. After the cargo transporter reaches the ISS, the crew receive the satellite cargo transfer bag and conduct J-SSOD setup on board Kibo. The J-SSOD case is installed on the airlock slide table. As for J-SSOD-R, astronauts will load the satellites in orbit. The case is transferred outboard using Kibo's airlock and robotic arm, a unique dual function possessed only by Kibo. The Kibo Mission Control Room on ground conducts this operation. Developers and participants gathered at the Scuba Space Center watch in anticipation as the robotic arm is set to the releasing point.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
A command is sent from the ground. Release. Since 2012, JAXA has been providing deployment opportunities to universities, private companies, many domestic and foreign users who do not have the capacity to do so. In addition, JAXA is cooperating with the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs and University Space Engineering Consortium to enhance social and international contribution. The world is entering a next space age, and the number of J-SSOD users is steadily increasing. Creative user ideas can extend the possibilities and value of low Earth orbit utilization, and JAXA continuously supports the pursuit of new possibilities. Now, the next satellite deployment from Kibo could be yours. Good luck.
this project has a great significance for our country. For me, it is a dream that came true. It was a great experience, and I'm not gonna lie, very challenging at each stage of satellite development, but also with a lot of new knowledges that I'm sure will be helpful in the future, and with a great relief at the end of the project. Also an amazing experience to interact with best professionals from JAXA and UNOSA, which helped us every time we were in a blocking point situation. And younger generation will be motivated in participating in space-related activities.
And liftoff. Liftoff of SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket launching Dragon, the 25th mission to resupply the International Space Station.
は資金の獲得から、組織の運営、そして開発、そして最後の、書類作業まで全て学生の手で行われました。
FUTABAは2020年4月に FM の開発を始めたのですが、そのタイミングで新型コロナウイルスが拡大してしまい、開発が3ヶ月ほど中断されてしまいました。しかし、開発が再開した時からは、みんなで開発室に集まり、途中で、設計の変更など、たくさんの困難がありましたが、無事に、完成を迎えることができたのが、一番の大きな思い出です。
私は今後も衛星開発に携わりたいと考えています。なぜなら衛星開発は大変なことや苦労することが多いですが、それをメンバーと一緒に仲間と一緒に乗り越えていく楽しさだったり、それに対して自分がスキルアップするのを日に日に肌で感じることができます。それが私は楽しくて仕方がありません。なので私は衛星開発を今後も続けていきたい、携わりたいと考えています。中高生で人工衛星を開発するという文化だったり、そういう心意気、そういう思いをもっと発信していって、他の学校にも衛星開発自分たちならできるかもだったり、そういう自信を持ってもらって、もっと衛星開発を中高生で開発するという文化を広めていきたい。
And liftoff. Liftoff of SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket launching Dragon, the 25th mission to resupply the International Space Station.
未来科学研究所 HSU-SAT1 プロジェクトマネージャーの中村です。 本プロジェクトを推進してこられた須飛先生が昨年末に急逝され、その後、平均年齢27歳の若手メンバーで開発しております。衛星のミッションは、独自で開発したバスシステムの動作実証、簡易な光通信によるコマンドアップリンク実験、1U サイズでの三軸姿勢制御実験がございます。また、搭載カメラの撮影映像を SSTV 信号でアマチュア無線化の方々に向けて配信することも予定しております。多くの方々に利用いただけると嬉しく思います。
This is JAXA Flight Director. We would like to ask your final goal for satellite deployment. The representative of TUMnanoSAT from Republic of Moldova. Are you ready?
Yeah, TUMnanoSAT, ready to go!
Copy. Thank you. The deployment will be on time. This is JAXA Flight Director. We would like to ask your final goal for satellite deployment. The representative of FUTABA from Japan are ready?
This is FUTABA team. Ready? Go!
Copy. The deployment will be on time. This is JAXA Flight Director. We would like to ask your final goal for satellite deployment. The representative of HSU-SAT1 from Japan, are you ready?
This is HSU-SAT1. We are ready. Go!
Copy all. The deployment will be on time. Thank you.
Ready? Go!
This is HSU-SAT1. We are ready. Go!
The launch into space of Moldova's nano-satellite TUMnanoSAT, designed and manufactured in accordance with international standards at Technical University of Moldova, had an extraordinary resonance, both nationally and internationally, as it represents the first space experience for our country and our university. Thanks to the international cooperation between the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency and the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, Technical University of Moldova was selected for the Kibo Q program to launch into space the nano-satellite TUMnanoSAT from the International Space Station. It was transported there by Falcon 9 rocket of SpaceX company. Thus, our international partners helped Moldova researchers to further advance into space exploration. TUMnanoSAT has some important missions. A research mission which focuses on the study of sensors based on nanostructures in space conditions, testing the functionality of onboard computer and various electronic components under the effect of total ionizing dose, and testing the sensors and algorithms for attitude determination and control, as well as various communication protocols with the satellite. Also, the nanosatellite is equipped with a low-resolution camera that will capture the images from space and send them to the UTM command center along with the other valuable scientific data in order to be processed and analyzed. I'm immensely proud of my colleagues, our students, teachers, researchers and engineers who achieved this outstanding performance, proving that engineering is a promising field that can be studied at home and promoting internationally the image, values and opportunities offered by the Technical University of Moldova, as well as its contribution to the technological progress of Republic of Moldova. This dream that today came true, this major achievement, is only the first step that highlights the valuable human potential of our university, as it encourages us to continue this ambitious project with a new, more complex nanosatellite prototypes, and further contribute to the development and progress of Moldova's space science and technology, both for the benefit of our academic community and the whole country.
Today, we celebrate the placing on orbit of the first Moldovan satellite, developed by a team of researchers and students from the Technical University of Moldova. The TUMnanoSAT has started its never-ending journey around our planet. This was possible due to the enthusiasm and dedication of our scientists and researchers, and with the support from the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency and the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, for which we are deeply grateful. This success is set to make the Technical University of Moldova more attractive for Moldovan students and international students, and opens up the opportunity for new, ambitious scientific and research projects. Congratulations.
It is my great pleasure to congratulate the Technical University of Moldova on the deployment of the country's first ever satellite, TUMnanoSAT. Your dedication and hard work have turned a dream into a reality. At the Office for Outer Space Affairs, we are proud of this achievement. TUMnanoSAT is a technology demonstration mission aimed at developing know-how and hands-on experience in satellite development and utilization. We are confident that you will make the best use of this opportunity to set even more ambitious goals in the future. CubeSats can act as catalysts for greater achievements by boosting the interest and progress in space activities. TUMnanoSAT can not only motivate the young generation to pursue education in STEM, but also create momentum towards the wider use of space technology, data, and applications for sustainable socio-economic development. Today we know that the space industry contributes significantly to the achievement of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, as well as to climate action and disaster management. Enabling access to space benefits in a growing number of the United Nations member states is therefore very important. It is also one of the main areas of work of the Office for Outer Space Affairs. Our Access to Space for All initiative enables communities globally to use and benefit from space technologies and applications to deliver on the promises and pledges of the international community. By providing access to research and hands-on opportunities, information, and tools, we make a real difference for our member states. And we are not alone in this endeavor. The Kibo Cube program under the Access to Space for All exemplifies the power of triangular cooperation and the importance of Sustainable Development Goal 17, Partnership for the Goals. Delivered in close coordination with the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, Kibo Cube is enabling access to space and paving the way to new frontiers for countries in all regions. The satellite of Moldova is already the fourth CubeSat we launched together under the auspices of the United Nations. Along with CubeSats from African and Latin American states, we have now added an Eastern European country to the list. Soon, we will also see a satellite from the Asia-Pacific region. We cannot thank JAXA enough for their continuous support and partnership in delivering this program. Without them, we would not be here today celebrating this outstanding achievement. As we look ahead, allow me to wish Moldova the best of luck in their future steps. The decisions you make today will shape the future of your country in a captivating and inspirational sector that has the power to improve the lives of communities. The office stands ready to continue supporting Moldova through a wide array of services on offer: space economy, space law and policy, space technology, and much more. I already look forward to our continuous collaboration. Thank you for your attention. Good luck with the future activities of TUMnanoSAT.
My name is Katayama Yoshihiro, Ambassador of Japan to the Republic of Moldova. I am honored to address the citizens of the Republic of Moldova and the space enthusiasts from all over the world on the occasion of the launch into orbit of the first ever Moldova-made satellite, TUMnanoSAT. I'd like to express my sincere congratulations and appreciation to the team of the researchers and students of the Technical University of Moldova, led by Rector Viorel Bostan, for their colossal work in designing and building the satellite, as well as to all the partners who supported them in realizing this dream event. In particular, I'd like to mention the important role of the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency and the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, which provided technological assistance and expertise to the Technical University of Moldova within the Kibo Cube program. Together, we have just witnessed a truly grand event for the Moldovan science. I am optimistic that the launch of the nanosatellite will boost the research and the development of high technologies in Moldova, but above all, it will give hope for a wonderful and prosperous future to many Moldovan citizens who are watching us right now or who will learn about the launch sometime later. Dear friends, in the year 2022, Japan and the Republic of Moldova celebrated the 30th year anniversary of the establishment of the diplomatic relations. I am certain that today's historic event for the Japanese-Moldova partnership would be followed by other successful projects and achievements. Felicitări, Republica Moldova! Urez multe succese în continuare. Vă mulțumesc!
Congratulations to the successful deployment of the first satellite from Moldova, TUMnanoSAT. I'm delighted to be a part of this historic moment, and I also believe that this deployment has given a lot of courage and hope to the people in Moldova. It is our honor to support this important mission under the Kibo Cube program, organized in collaboration with UNUSA. I would like to express my sincere respect to the members of the TUMnanoSAT project for their great achievement. Space activity is an exciting endeavor with infinite possibilities. JAXA warmly welcomes the country and the people of Moldova to join in the fascinating journey in space. I hope this successful first step of TUMnanoSAT will lead to the next exciting missions in the future, where JAXA will hopefully collaborate with you again. Thank you.
Hi, TUMnanoSAT team from Moldova. We are the J-SSOD team from Kibo Utilization Center. I'm Shinobu Doi, manager for the satellite deployment mission from Kibo. We completed the successful deployment of TUMnanoSAT. We are pleased to announce to you that we are going to send you the certificate of deployment. We wish you the best of luck with the successful of your mission. Congratulations! Yay! FUTABA 関係者の皆様、JAXA 希望利用センター J-SSOD チーム主幹の土井です。今回無事に衛星の放出が完了いたしました。希望利用センターよりこちらの放出証明書を皆様のもとにお届けいたします。皆様のミッションの成功をお祈り申し上げます。おめでとうございます。HSU-SAT1 関係者の皆様、JAXA 希望利用センター J-SSOD チーム主幹の土井です。今回無事に衛星の放出が完了いたしました。希望利用センターよりこちらの放出証明書を皆様のもとにお届けいたします。皆様のミッションの成功をお祈り申し上げます。おめでとうございました。
This is JAXA flight director. We would like to ask your final goal for satellite deployment. The representative of TUMnanoSAT from Republic of Moldova. Are you ready?
Yeah, TUMnanoSAT, ready to go!
This is FUTABA team. Ready? Go!
This is HSU-SAT1. We are ready. Go!
We saw a successful launch and just want to congratulate the three developers of these satellites. First of all, the TUMnanoSAT. This is developed by the Technical University of Moldova, and Moldova's first satellite selected as a part of the fourth Kibo program. And this is a historic moment for Moldova as their participation in a joint space project. I'd also like to make congratulations on the FUTABA satellite built by the Kyushu Institute of Technology and Keiai High School in Japan. This is a great opportunity for the Keiai High School students to join this mission. And then finally, the HSU-SAT1, developed by Space BD Incorporated in Japan. And this is a first deployment for the HSU-SAT team. Congratulations to JAXA and to all that participated in this launch. Congratulations.